Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how to get a CDL Class B license. Now before we actually go into how to get a CDL Class B, you have to understand what a Class B license actually is. This is going to be a license that gives you the ability to operate any vehicle that weighs more than 26,000 pounds, and if it has a trailer, that trailer has to weigh less than 10,000 pounds. So let's go through a few examples. So some classic examples are going to be like a box truck over here, or a dump truck, a garbage truck, or even a cement truck, all Class B vehicles. Things that most people are not aware of what a Class B vehicle is could be something like this. Even though it has a small trailer behind it, it weighs less than 10,000 pounds. So making sure you fully understand what type of license you're going after is super important. Now with a Class B, you're also able to drive with the right endorsements, something like a school bus or something like a coach bus. In this video, we're going to show you exactly the step-by-step guide on how to get a license to drive any of these vehicles. But of course, I wanted to make sure that you're fully aware you're not able to drive this big tractor trailer right over here with your CDL Class B license. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Step number one is going to be get yourself a CDL Class B permit. In order to get a permit you're going to have to go to the DMV and pass a minimum of 2 different written exams. It's going to be general knowledge and air brakes. Once you pass those 2 written exams, then officially you have a CDL Class B permit. However, if you want to be able to drive a bus, which means school buses or coach buses itself, you're going to need to get extra endorsements on top of that. So we usually recommend to our students who want to go for the CDL Class B, get at least a passenger endorsement written exam passed, as well as a school bus endorsement passed, because then now, once you actually walk away with your CDL Class B license with passenger, you open up yourself to a lot more job opportunity out there. That being said, you've had your CDL Class B permit, you've added some extra endorsements to make yourself more valuable, it costs you nothing extra, and now it's time to get you ready to pass the 2.5-hour long road test. Now in order to go for the CDL test, you have to go to an approved training provider. I recommend coming to the best CDL school in the country here at Driving Academy. We have locations nationwide, so check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com. The reason why I said enroll into a school, it's actually a law. There's a federal requirement that anybody wanting to get a CDL license must go to an approved training provider, because at that point we know that everyone has met the minimum federal requirements before they can actually sit for the CDL road test. Once you're enrolled as a student here at Driving Academy, our job is to get you ready to pass 3 different parts of a 2.5-hour long road test. Part number 1 is going to be how to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. Part number 2 is going to be how to park the vehicle up to 4 different ways. Part number 3 is going to be driving the vehicle on the road itself. When it comes to the road test, our job is to get you ready to pass all of that in our training yard. So we're going to give you all the skills and all the tools that you need so you can pass the test the very first time. Once you pass all 3 parts of the road test, you can now go to the DMV and walk away with your CDL Class B license and start yourself on the road to freedom. One of the benefits of being a student here at Driving Academy is we're open up 7 days a week, which means we can train around your needs. We're super affordable. $500 down is all you need to get started. And then we can work out an interest-free payment plan for the rest. We also offer lifetime job placement. So even for our Class B students, if you want help finding work after you graduate, we're here to help you out up until the day you die. So if getting a CDL Class B license is something that you're after, make sure you check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and let's get you on the road to freedom today.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.